Got him. That's a fish. Got him. What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at Young Lake in Richfield, New York with Patrick. He's way out there. Patrick was with me when I caught the pike, and he was also with me at Cazenovia Lake. I'll leave a link to those videos in the description. But that's not what this video is about. In this video, I went back to Tracy Lake and I fished a couple spots that I couldn't get into the first time I went. Then I pulled my kayak into the rest of Tracy Lake to fish that new water. So sit back, I'll see y'all in the next video. Got him. Got him, y'all. Nice fish, too. Decent fish. Decent fish. I'm feeling that white chatterbait with, get him? Yes. Yes. It's a good fish right there. Chatterbait. No trailer, just a trailer hook on it. Thank you. It's chatterbait fish. I'm not gonna weigh him, but I'm pretty sure he's just close to 2 pounds or just over it. Hey, buddy. Got him. White buzzbait. Oh, it's a pickerel. Ah, you'd be so disappointed when you find out it's a pickerel, don't you? So disappointed. Pretty big pickerel too. But he was bad. He's pissed. He's pissed. He's free. Freedom. We're gonna throw the flip flop. Flippity floppity. See if we can get us a fish with the flip flop. Uh-oh. I felt a tap. That's a fish. Got him. Oh, another pickerel? Come on. Another pickerel. Shout out Outdoors with Chuck. He been using the love bug, so I decided to try to flip flop. It's working out pretty good so far. I'm using watermelon red. I got it on a 4-aught hook, and I'm using a bead stopper for the first time with a bullet weight. Let's throw the flip flop over there. Got him. Don't be a pickerel. Pull up through that salad. That's a bass, yeah. Flip flop. Good hook set right through the top of the mouth. Good fish. Get something from up. Yes, got him. Yes, yeah. Flip flop. Yes. Good hook set. Oh, good fish. Got him. The flip flop. Maybe it's the color. Good markings on them. Nice. Thank you. Another decent fish. This one with the chase baits, flip flop. Oh, he's aggressive. Told you. Told you. Got him. Wrapping himself up. Come on. Oh, yeah. Good one. That's when you gotta go shallow with the rage tail crawl. Fish. Thank you. Strike King Rage Tail Crawl always finds them. I'll keep throwing the crawl. Might be time to change it out. We're gonna throw them a couple more times. Got him. Yep. As soon as I threw it in there. As soon as I threw it in there. Oh, yeah. Good hook set right in the top of the mouth. Good fish. Thank you. Shallow water, Strike King Rage Tail Crawl. I wanted to get out here a little earlier, but I was still editing video. I wanted to have more time to explore this new part of Tracy Lake, but it is what it is. It rained, so the water level rose. So that should be able to help me get into this spot a little better. Okay. Push all these sticks out the way. I should be able to slide right up to the... Whoa. Hey. Alright, we should be able to get in here with no problem. Just seen a frog. We should be able to get in here with no problem. I'm gonna push the kayak. I'm gonna push the kayak into this spot. Looks like we can do it. Yup. Ugh. How deep is this? Is enough room for me to get out? Yup. Enough room for me to get in? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's explore the new part. We in there. Okay, we in there. All right, this is the... I'm hitting something. What did I hit? Oh, it was a log. Nice back here. hated the Tracy Lake people. See a turtle? Whenever I hit new water, always got to start out with the rage tail crawl. Always. And the whopper plopper 110. Getting nips. Little panfish. Lapped the whole lake. All right, so we lapped the whole lake. We didn't catch anything. Wow. First time I took the yak out, got skunked. First time getting skunked in a yak. There, first time getting skunked in the yak. Looks like another spot over there. I love doing that. I think I like doing that now. Find a new spot to fish. Push a kayak into it. I like that. Got the kayak all packed up. Ran out of light. This is the first time I've ever been skunked in the kayak. I'm hurt. The other part of Tracy Lake did not produce. It's all good. I had fun. We'll catch y'all on the next episode. I'm out. Peace.